this is Hondo Launch.
We are here at Honda Safety Driving Center here in Parañaque.
Yeah, getting the taste of the legendary
Goldwing 2019.
Naalala ko tong bike na to eh. Back in the day,
Okay.
may nakita akong dumaan. Akala ko aparador na tumatakbo eh.
Ang laki kasi.
Tingin ko yun eh.
Oh, baka nga.
Pero little bit of history of this bike. First introduced 1975 as a naked bike.
Sa naked bike.
Ano pinakamalapit niya?
CB400.
Yes,
Palakihin mo nga lang to.
Correct. Tapos, niredesign siya 1980
Oo.
due to the
Demands
demands.
sa long drive, sa touring, then for comfort.
Yeah. Anong maalala mo? Saan siya famous?
Okay, kasi dito siya naging famous dahil shaft driven siya.
Yeah.
Hindi siya chain drive.
Tsaka yung flat engine.
Oo, yung engine design niya.
Diba? So, pakita natin sa kanila.
Sure.
Feast your eyes on the Goldwing!
The Goldwing, a touring model which embodied long-range comfort, luxury, and quality for over 40 years. Redesigned from the wheels up to the sharper, lighter, and more compact while maintaining the myriad of advanced features. Tama na yan. This bike is hailed as the ultimate performance tourer, famous in North America, Western Europe, and Australia. With its 1,800cc liquid-cooled horizontal opposed 6-cylinder single overhead cam, 4-valve per cylinder, 7-speed, dual-clutch transmission, automatic transmission, slipper clutch, cruise control, and Honda selectable torque control. This bike also provides superior handling and riding comfort. Sofa, with its double wishbone front suspension, all aluminum swing arm, combined ABS, electronic suspension preload, radial front brake calipers, and integrated starter generator. It also comes with ride mode features such as Tour, default setting, Sport, strong acceleration with firmer damping and increased rear brake pressure. Rain limits the throttle response. The Econ for fuel economy and easy cruising. The player in this is the Honda selective torque control in all 4 riding modes. Constantly allows controllable acceleration and good traction in slippery conditions. With the top-of-the-line equipment and technology based on cars, such as throttle-by-wire, hill start assist, walking or reverse mode, keyless ignition, LED lightings, and airbag. Let's not forget Bluetooth, 7-inch full-color display panel with navigation, which is compatible with the Apple CarPlay. Cool, right? Sporty look, advanced technology, compact with 41 kilograms lighter than the previous model. I know na-notice mo yung center stand, plus yung bigat niya. But no worry, the bike will assist you in that. Pwede mo siyang i-atras, or similarly like tulak forward, using the walking and the reverse mode. That's really awesome. This bike is the 6th generation of its kind. Yeah, pang-anim na to. Kanina na-mention ko, aparador. This time, it's aparador with
Sofa.
Kasi itong bike na to, always been designed as a large motorcycle for
Touring, long drive,
Yeah.
and comfort.
comfort, luggage,
Luggage,
power.
and wind protection kasi may laki nung ano niya.
So, anong
windshield.
issue lang? Itong nirelease sa atin, anong issue niya?
Okay,
One yung nakuha ko kanina.
Na-discuss yung kanina,
Yes,
which is
so-
yung navigation niya.
Correct. Hindi pa siya applicable sa atin, yung navigation. Pero, they're trying to find a way to update the firmware. So, somehow siguro someday.
So, oo, maybe a few months.
Kasi sayang naman, di ba?
Oo.
Oo. Kasi,
Sayang yung feature na yun kung hindi mo gagamit dito sa Pinas.
would you buy this bike?
For me, yes, if I can.
Bakit
If
magkano
I
ba?
can. Kasi ano siya, napakamura. 1.8 million.
Wow. Well, ako din, I would if I could.
Mama.
Kaya, dumalo tayo sa test.
Testingin muna natin.
Yeah.
Alright?
Try namin sakyan kung pwede siya. Cha-cha.
Ciao!
Yeah.
Ano ba yung mga sign ano nyo? Wala?
Wala naman.
Pwede naman. Anong sign ba natin?
Ito.
One ba o ano?
Okay na lang, okay.
Ano kami sign eh?
Ah,
Kung ano lang eh.